Hello, this is our house, our 400-year-old house, and I'm going to show you how we went from this to this. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you a nice time-lapse video from start to end, but before I do, I'm going to briefly talk to you about the processes. Now, this is the side of our house. It has got a load of cement render on. Why is that bad? The cement is trapping all of the moisture in there. It's giving us significant damp problems on the side of our house. It's got to go. As lovely as the windows are, you can see the damage that the cement render and the water has done. Just look at that wooden lintel above the window. That, unfortunately, had to be replaced, but you'll see what I replaced it with shortly. Okay, so all the render is off. It took me ages. Did it by hand, but I truly think it's worth it. Now, I bought this stack myself. I just thought financially it was better, and boy, it was. This was an absolutely great purchase. Love it. I'm going to use it for the rest of my house and then potentially sell it, and I'll get most of my money back. You'll see at the top of the building, there are some Hessian drapes. Now, these Hessian drapes are really important. It helps with the drying process of the lime that I've used. Now, I had to repoint the whole building in lime and not cement for the very reason why I'm removing the cement render in the first place. These drapes will help it dry slowly, properly, and keep it relatively wet so it doesn't crack when it's drying. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I've got two young children. My daughter's 4 and my son is 2. They were absolutely fascinated by the work that we were doing on the side of our house, not only visually, but the fact that we've got a big, massive scaffolding stack at the side of our house that you can climb up. Yes, I did let them climb up it with supervision. I think it's all part of having an enriched childhood. This is my daughter, Afia, and she absolutely loved it. Now, at this point was a challenge. A challenge because of weather. There was so much wind at this time of year, it was ridiculous. It kept on blowing the Hessian back onto the roof, which on a 3-story building is a right pain to get down. Didn't matter how many sandbags I put on the bottom, it kept on doing it. But they were doing its job. It's really important to keep the Hessian in place to make sure that the line pointing didn't crack. You can see there's quite a few different windows here from different ages. Now, 2 of them you can see have got wooden lintels, and there are 3 with brick archways. Reason for that is at some point the Victorians have been in and changed the layout around and subsequently put new windows in. Now, with the wooden ones, I've had to replace these. Simply, they just weren't salvageable. There was lintels in there that was softwood, disintegrated, and had disintegrated behind all of the cement render. That being said, I did find some really nice replacements at my local salvage yard. Now, this is major problem number 2. Whilst I'm taking off the cement render, fixing the windows and repointing in lime, I'm waiting for my builders to come and sort the side of the house out. Now, as you can see, it's got major structural problems. The 2 walls are just not tied in. When the Victorians decided to add a 3rd story, they just didn't bother tying them in, which was marvellous. Now, it was fixed at great expense, and to be fair, the guys did a brilliant job. You'll see this in the video in a moment. I'm delighted with the results, and it really does stand out when you walk down the street. Thank you for watching my short explanation. I'm going to show you a time-lapse video in a second, but before I do, I just wanted to point out, if you like my content, please do subscribe, please do like, and I'd love to see some comments. I do lots of different videos, mostly to do with renovation, but I do like to show our family and our family life as well. If you like that, please do let me know.
I don't need recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position.